Time feels constant. Seconds pass, minutes move forward, everything flows in one direction, at the same speed, or at least that's how it feels. But in reality, time is not fixed. It can slow down, it can stretch, and in some places in the universe, it almost stops. Not completely, but enough to change everything. Imagine you're inside a spacecraft, traveling faster than anything you've ever experienced, faster than planets, faster than stars, closer and closer to the speed of light. At first, nothing feels different. Your heartbeat is normal. Your movements are normal. Your clock ticks exactly the same. From your perspective, time hasn't changed at all. But outside, everything is different. To someone watching you from Earth, you are slowing down. Not your movement, your time, your seconds stretch longer, your minutes take more time to pass. Your entire existence begins to slow. The faster you go, the more extreme it becomes. At 90% the speed of light, time for you moves noticeably slower. At 99%, it slows dramatically. And as you approach the speed of light, time almost stops. From your perspective, the journey feels short, maybe minutes, maybe hours. But when you finally stop, when you return, you realize something terrifying. Years have passed, decades, maybe even centuries. Everyone you knew is gone. Not because you left them, but because time moved differently for you. You didn't travel just through space. You traveled into the future, and you didn't even feel it happening. This is not science fiction. This is real physics. Time dilation, a consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity. The faster you move, the slower time moves for you compared to others. Which means speed is not just motion, it's control over time itself. But there's something even more unsettling. Because speed isn't the only thing that affects time. Gravity does too. Near extremely massive objects like black holes, time slows down even more, far more. If you were near a black hole, time for you could pass incredibly slowly, while far away, years pass in seconds. You could stand there for what feels like minutes and return to find the universe completely changed. A future you never lived through, a time you skipped. And the strangest part, you wouldn't feel anything unusual. No pain, no distortion, no signal, just normal life, while everything else moves on without you. This creates a terrifying possibility. There are places in the universe where time flows so differently that two observers can experience completely different realities. One living a normal life, the other watching centuries pass in moments, and neither would feel wrong. Because time is not universal. It's relative, dependent on speed, dependent on gravity, dependent on where you are, which means right now, time is moving differently in different parts of the universe, not equally, not uniformly, but stretched and compressed like a fabric under tension. So when you think of time as something constant, remember this, it's not. There are places out there where time slows to a crawl, where seconds stretch into hours, where entire lifetimes can pass without you realizing it. And if you ever find yourself there, you won't feel trapped. You won't feel frozen. You'll just exist normally until you return and realize the universe didn't wait for you. It moved on without you.